My video is about removing Playstrongcompletelythefile.vip. This is a fake alert attacking Google Chrome browser. This fake alert tries to make people download and install certain unwanted browser extensions. This fake alert mainly attacks Google Chrome browser and possibly some other browsers based on the Chromium open source project. Keep in mind that it is extremely dangerous for people to interact with these fake alerts. Playstrongcompletelythefile.vip alert tries to make you download and install certain unwanted browser extension that may hijack some crucial browser settings. In some cases, you don't notice any extensions installed. This might depend on certain geographical location settings. But in many cases, indeed, it is true that a special extension is installed through these pop-ups, and as a result, the browser gets hijacked and infected. In case any third-party extensions were mistakenly installed, access the menu of your browser, go to More Tools, then choose Extensions. Carefully disable and remove any third-party extensions that you might find here. You might also notice some strange browser behavior in the form of these annoying pop-ups that prevent you from properly perceiving the content through your browser. We recommend you to research your device with the help of Combo Cleaner antivirus. It will help you to detect and eliminate other threats that could possibly remain on your computer. So get it on the page combocleaner.com, use this green download button, install the software and start researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.